Hey everyone, welcome to my video. In this video I am going to show you some tips and tricks and short ways in SolidWorks. Let's start. Firstly, we are drawing a hexagon in our front plane, which is going to be 50 mm and extruded 20 mm. On this surface we are creating one circle with control. I'm choosing corner and the sketch and giving tangent relation, and now with extrude cut I'm giving 45-degree cutting angle, flip side to cut, and as you see, it is kind of chamfering, simple way without using revolve command. The next trick, I'm going to delete my part. The next one will be about the loft command. In loft command we are having an option. We can make a loft to a point. I'm going to show you that now. In a simple example, I have a square 100 by 100, and on clicking front plane I'm going to create another plane which is going to be 100 mm away from the main plane, and here a sketch, and I am adding on my origin one point. And now loft both space command and choosing my 2D sketch. As you see, it is simply creating one pyramid with one point and one square. You can use this to point option in any shape. That doesn't matter, going to be circle or triangular or square, that doesn't matter. Now another one, I am going to create a 100 mm cube. Now a 3D sketch I am choosing and starting to draw on the corners here, and to change the direction I'm pressing tab button, and now I am going to move it in this direction, and now as you see it is the right direction. And now by clicking Ctrl and choosing 3 line, I am adding equal relation, and from this point to this point I'm saying 50 mm, let's say. As you see on the corner there is a 3D sketch, and now I am going to use extrude cut by 3D sketch, and in this direction of extrusion option I'm choosing one corner of the my part, or this can be a sketch, doesn't matter. As you see there is a preview. Simply we cut our part with 3D sketch in a 3D dimensional way. Normally you should make this with 2D sketch with direction or with a creating plane here. Now this part is a 100 mm by 100 mm cube. It is a metric system. I'm going to change this to inch system, inch pound second system. When you change simply in this area, your dimensions also now going to be simply inch. As you see, 3.94, and if you are going to create here one, let's say, cut by 0.5 mm, 0.1 inch, or we can say, let's say, make 1, and I'm going to cut it when I'm in inch option, as you see it is 1 inch. When I'm changing back to millimeter gram second, now my part is now metric, and as you see 25.4 millimeter. Nothing is changing, just the unit is changing. Yeah. Now I'm going to show you some things in Sketch. I am opening a new part. In front plane I am creating one line and turning into construction geometry. Under the tools, in Sketch tools, I have a dynamic mirror option. When I start to use this command, whatever I draw in one direction, in the side of this construction line, automatically my program adding to other side also, as you see. It is a useful command when you are making some things. I think you would like to use it. It is completely creating your contour without you mirror it, and that's a nice command. In this now I'm going to show you another option, which is going to be dimensioning of the circle. Normally when you click a line or an edge also in a circle, automatically it is giving you the center dimension. If you wanna have the dimension from this point to your edge of construction line, you should click shift button in your mouse, in your keyboard, and then clicking to object and giving the direction then. And I'm going to make it this in vertical in this area, and it is blue because of the dimension of the circle. It's not determined, and we are giving that as a 50 millimeter. And as you see, it is going to be 75 millimeter center direction. It is a simple one, but when you are working with other digit behind of 0, it can be complicated. Without no need to calculation, you can use this option. And I'm going to show now arc dimensioning. To give the arc, to find the arc length on your part, you should choose your semi arc or quarter arc. It can be in any degree. 2 point, and then clicking on your sketch on your arc itself, and then as you see, we can say 50 millimeter arc. This is our option. And the other one now I'm going to create, just deleting this sketch. I'm going to be changing your sketch plane, and I am going to create one simple model. And now as you see, we could use it here, dynamic mirror. In this line I'm going to mirror and giving the dimensions 200 millimeter by 100 millimeter and 20, and making already they are same, and giving here 20 millimeter. And I'm going to extrude it 50 millimeter, or let's make it a little bit bigger, 100 millimeter. On the top plane I'm going to draw one circle and giving the dimension 50 millimeter. And now I am cutting this, and now I'm realizing this cutout will be on this wall, and I draw it in a wrong place. What can I do now? Simply I can change my plane by changing my sketch plane. At sketch plane option, allows you to change your sketch plane. As you see, my cutout here now, because of it was in origin, it took there automatically cut out the cut the point from where it starts from the origin. Now I am giving one dimension and determining here 50 millimeter highness by 50 millimeter circle. As you see, it starts to cut now this surface, and if you want, you can make to roll both and simply cut both sides easily. It is a useful command. For now, my tip and tricks like this. I'm going to create another video, and I'm going to talk about other options in SolidWorks. Thank you for watching.